Welcome back to another episode of our Bali series. Bali is not just about the stunning beaches, waterfalls, and temples. It's also a paradise for coffee lovers. During our Bali trip, we had the chance to explore Luwak Coffee, a beautiful plantation where we learned about the unique process of the making Luwak coffee and tasted a variety of delicious Balinese coffee blends. As we arrived at the plantation, we were welcomed by lush greenery, tropical plants, and the fresh aroma of the coffee beans roasting in the air.
Heard about that?
Yes,
Yeah.
we saw that some videos.
Okay, but you never tried, right?
Yeah.
You can see we don't finish it. Now they're awake. This animal, we call it luwak. This is the little mammals live on the tree, live wild, but this is just to show.
Oh.
We keep them here only 1 week. After 1 week, we let them out. Because normally they live wild in the forest. So in the forest, they will eat every fruit. They eat papaya, banana, coffee. When they eat the coffee, we collect the poop. Because when they eat the coffee, they don't chew the bean, they just swallow it. And they choose the best bean. They swallow the bean. The house owner allows to pick up coffee from the tree. We just collect coffee when it's coffee. Here, that's why vanilla very expensive. We try to mix with coffee, so we have vanilla coffee. Usually for vanilla ice cream, vanilla cake, and ginseng. Do you know ginseng?
Ginseng.
Yeah, ginseng. It's like
Mostly in Korea.
in Korea, yeah. In Korea, or ingredients of Red Bull because for energy. We take the root. The root under the ground. We try to mix with coffee. We chop them. We mix with coffee. So we have ginseng coffee for honeymoon. We call honeymoon coffee because for energy.
The staff guided us through the coffee making process, explaining how Balinese coffee is made traditionally from harvesting to roasting. One of the highlights was learning about Luwak coffee, also known as the world's most expensive coffee. It's made using coffee beans that have been eaten and naturally fermented by civet cat before being collected, cleaned, and roasted. While some may find the process unusual, this fermentation enhances the coffee's flavor, giving it a smooth, rich taste with low acidity.
So is it poop? Right?
Yeah, this come out like that because the
That
luwak.
much longer poop we can get from that animal.
Yeah, from that animal. It's not because the size of the animal is different.
Yeah.
It is like still young, like smaller. They will be more bigger because there are many in the forest. So I think that poop from the adult animal.
Adult.
Yeah, adult animal. We get them in the forest floor like this. Next, just we need to wash them. We wash until 6 times with hot water. So like this, drying. Looks like a peanut. Yeah. Next, we need to peeling the skin. So don't worry about the poop. Bean is very clean. That is a coffee bean. Inside of the fruit is this one. So the first is still dirty. The second is washed. The third is peeling. After this, we need to roasting first to get changed black color, dark color like that. We do roasting here. Take about 45 minutes. 45 minutes with the firewood. It should be like that, steady, and then getting changed to black color like this, and then we need to pouring here, be dry this, and to get the powder from there. Smell it. Yeah, this is our final process. Today we process Bali coffee. This is a regular one from the tree. It's not the poop coffee. But to make it a Luwak coffee, same way, same process.
That smell is familiar.
Yeah.
So when you are drinking your
Yeah.
coffee, are you mixing sugar or any other?
Sugar, yes.
flavors?
Some sugar, but no milk.
No.
No milk. But if you are coffee lovers, you can drink without sugar. Yeah.
We can who love coffee and who stick to the taste. Yeah, because the taste less bitter, smoother. This is ginger, turmeric, galangal. Galangal. We make
Cannot give you complimentary. You need to pay 50,000 for 1 cup if you want to try. But another flavor will give you free for testing. A regular one with any flavor. Yeah, we try them all.
Đầu tiên là bảo là cái cuối
Oh, you are talented.
em sao
You
giúp
can,
kênh này cái
you can sit over there.
Okay.
Yeah, let me know later if you want to try Luwak Coffee.
yes we will get one
One cup.
luwak
Luwak
and
and another
which one?
one, don't you choose. I will make them all.
oh
One for
okay
you, 13 flavor.
okay
Okay?
Thank you. The best part was the tasting. We were served a tray of different coffee flavors, each with its own unique aroma and taste. Some of our favorites were mangosteen coffee, ginseng coffee, coconut coffee, and vanilla coffee.
Vanilla coffee, rose latte, this hibiscus flower, is mocha, coffee with chocolate mix, this good. Mangosteen tea, this the tropical fruit, turmeric tea, lemon tea, and avocado coffee. So all of this has sugar already except Bali coffee. You can try the chips also from the tapioca. So wait a moment for the luwak. Oh, you can try this first.
Madam, clear t-shirt.
So
And
yes,
also we tried Luwak coffee itself. It had a deep, bold flavor with a smooth finish. Definitely a must try for any coffee enthusiast.
Compare with Bali coffee. You can add sugar later. This is soya milk.
if you want to try the Luwak coffee, 1 cup, you may. Yeah. Yeah. You may, but then you pay like $5, yeah, 50,000.
Brown sugar and white sugar.
Yeah.
But no need to stirring. If you want to try, don't stirring because they have powder in the bottom of the cup like this. Because no filter. But later after you put sugar, you can stirring and then wait for settle down 1 minute only.
Because the light is not good from that angle. Oh, from here is better. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I will do selfie one more. One more selfie. Okay, thank you.
This is palm sugar. Palm sugar, this is sugar cane.
Together, huh? Oh, for your shirt.
Overall, this experience was one of the highlights of our trip. It was not just about the tasting coffee, but also about learning the history and craftsmanship behind the Balinese coffee making. We hope you enjoyed this little coffee adventure with us. Stay tuned for more Bali travel stories in our upcoming videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so for more amazing travel experience. See you in the next video.
Thank you.